could be a better place than a kitchen to explore the methods of cooking? Hi, I'm Leena Bhaskar. I'm an educator. Welcome to my channel as well as welcome to my kitchen. So, why do we need cooking? Cooking makes food soft, tasty, easily digestible and germ-free. Cooked food is safe to eat and can be preserved for a longer time. Let me demonstrate the methods of cooking one by one.
Boiling is the most common and simplest method of cooking. In this method, water is added to a pan and brought to boil at 100 degrees Celsius. Food item is then added to it. You can see boiling noodles here. The action of heated water cooks the food. Nutrients like water-soluble vitamins like B and C are lost by this method. Boiling can be done in a pan or a pressure cooker. Examples of food cooked by this method are milk, pulses, potatoes, rice. Steaming means cooking food in vapor. To steam food, water is added to a pot and brought to boil. A perforated vessel or a stand with food item is placed on the top of the pot containing water. You can see my simple steaming setup here. There is no direct contact between the food and the water. A tight fitting lid is placed on the top so that food gets cooked by the steam. In this method, food does not lose its color and flavor. Also, nutrients are not lost. So, steaming is a very healthy method of cooking. Idlis are made by using an idli stand in a pressure cooker. Food items cooked by steaming are vegetables, momos, dokla and idli. Baking involves applying heat to food in an enclosed environment. It is usually done in an oven. A microwave oven is an electric oven that heats and cooks food by exposing it to electromagnetic radiation. You can convert your microwave oven into a normal oven at convection mode and keep a metal rack or aluminium tin to place the food. The outside of the food turns brown and moisture is locked in the inner portions. Cakes, buns, biscuits and pastries are baked products. Frying means cooking food in fat, so it's not a very healthy method. It is of three types. Deep frying, food is completely immersed in hot oil. You can see a puri being deep fried here. We fry jalebi, pakoda, vadas and samosas. Stir frying. When you fry the food very quickly on a high heat in an oiled pan. Veggies for chow mein are stir-fried here. You frequently stir the food or shake the pan. Shallow frying. When food is cooked in less oil, a parantha is being shallow fried here. Also, you can see malpua, an Indian sweet, is shallow fried instead of deep frying. Other food items that are shallow fried are parantha, pancake, chila and dosa. Direct heating It is the oldest and simplest method of cooking food, where food is cooked directly over open fire. Food is placed on gas stove. It is frequently turned over to prevent it from burning and to ensure it is cooked evenly and thoroughly.